Hello everyone. In the hobby of growing flowers, propagating roses is always considered a challenge, but also an exciting moment for bonsai lovers. Let's take each step meticulously to turn an ordinary rose branch into a healthy, vibrant sapling. First, we need to prepare 20 grams of white rice. Rice is not only a food, but also plays a role as a rich source of nutrients in plant care. Rice contains a lot of starch, B vitamins and minerals, which help stimulate the growth of young tissue at the cut and create conditions for roots to form quickly. Put the rice in a clean glass jar. Add about 300 milliliters of boiling water. Stir well and cover to dissolve the essence in the rice grains, then let it cool naturally. Now, let's move on to preparing the rose branches. You should choose a branch that is moderately old and free of pests and diseases, because this is a decisive factor for the survival of the new plant. You gently cut off all the leaves and thorns on the branch to limit water loss and avoid infection. Then, cut the branch into pieces about 10 centimeters long. At the location of the cuts, use cotton or a clean cloth soaked in betadine solution to apply. Betadine has a strong antiseptic effect, helping the wound not to be infected with fungi and bacteria. Creating a safe environment for new roots to grow. Next is aloe vera, a famous natural ingredient in both beauty and plant care. You take a piece of aloe vera about 10 centimeters long. Remove the green outer layer, keeping only the transparent, nutrient-rich flesh. Then, cut the aloe vera flesh into small pieces and put it in a clean plastic cup. Aloe vera contains many amino acids, vitamins, and especially mucus that can retain moisture. While stimulating scar tissue in the cut to heal quickly and grow new roots. When the rice solution has cooled, you decant the clear water and pour it into the cup containing aloe vera. Stir well to blend the nutrients, creating a natural root stimulation solution. Rich in energy and minerals necessary for the start of the rose branch. To fix the rose branch, prepare a glass jar and a piece of foam. Cut the foam so that it fits the mouth of the jar. Then insert the flower branch through the middle of the foam. Then pour the rice aloe vera solution into the jar, making sure the base of the branch is submerged in the solution. Finally, place the foam with the rose branch in the mouth of the jar. Like a natural lid to keep the branch fixed and not move. To To create a humid environment and limit evaporation, use a transparent plastic bottle to cover the glass jar. The vase should be placed in a cool place, away from direct sunlight and strong winds, so that the plant has space to stabilize and focus on forming roots. After about 7 days, a miracle will appear. You will see the base of the branch starting to show white, plump, and healthy young roots. Not only that, new shoots will also sprout, proving that the flower branch has truly begun a new life. At this point, you can gently plant the plant in a pot containing a well-drained substrate. Usually treated coconut fiber, so that the plant continues to grow strongly. The interesting thing about this method is that you do not need to spend money or depend on chemicals. But can still successfully propagate thanks to familiar materials. It is the combination of rice starch, aloe vera, a gel, and the antibacterial ability of betadine that creates a perfect environment. Helping the rose branch to quickly take root. With this method, anyone can grow their own new rose plants, which is both meaningful and brings joy every day. So, from a normal rose branch, after just a few days, you will have in your hands a healthy young plant, ready to grow and bloom brilliantly. The feeling of waiting and watching each young root, each sprout grow will certainly be an unforgettable experience for any flower lover.